Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. I have a little errand to run this morning and I picked up a little toy. I love electronics. I looked and looked and looked for the right one, the correct one I wanted to do the job, and it came from basically a need to deal with all the texters out there, and I want to make sure that if one of them slams into the back of me, that I'm going to have a recording of it. Somebody pulls out in front of me, I've got a recording of it. Nowadays, you almost need a picture to prove something, and they say, what do they say? A picture says 1,000 words. Well, a video does, in my book, about 1,000,000 times more than that. Now that I found the right one, I wanted to share it with you guys and gals for the fun of it. And you can have fun with it as well, because if you're riding with somebody, say for instance your wife or your girlfriend, or ladies, your husband, and he says something and you say, well, you said that yesterday, and he says, no, I didn't. Well, you've got proof of it. If the kids are getting rambunctious in the back and Billy says Susie hit him with a crayon, you've got proof of it. That's the fun part of it. This is just fun. I just wanted to share it. I think it's pretty cool that they have this kind of technology out there today. You know, Sweet Project Cars is all about helping as many people as we can with all kinds of cool trick ways to do things. And I know a lot of you probably wonder, just a little bit of a story, how did Sweet Project Cars become Sweet Project Cars? Well, we actually did our first how-to video right around a year ago. The channel has been up since 2013, and we never really did much with it. We just launched it because we thought someday we want to share all our detailing tricks, and that's how it got started. So really, we've only been up for about a year, and it's going good. It's a lot of fun. We love doing it. Take care, and we'll see you on the next video.